Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen on Brawlhalla. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you need to write on Google DirectX runtime web installer. Probably it will be by Microsoft first link here, and you need to download this basically setup here, save it to whatever you like. Then you need to write Microsoft Visual C++ runtime and also go to the Microsoft website here. Scroll down until you see x64 and x86 versions here. And what you need to do here is to download them both here as well, right? And what I just downloaded, 86, so 64. And then another one that you need to download is Microsoft Framework. Also go to the website and download the recommended version here, as you can see here. And after basically it's downloaded, you need to go to your desktop and basically install all these setups here. So first one's super easy. What you need to do here is to simply press this one, toggle down this one, and install. And basically do with all of them here, install all of them to your computer, and then restart your computer, and after that, the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.